Welcome to the channel, and in this video we will be talking about how we can read a string value from the user in Python programming language. Now to demonstrate this, what we do is we will write a simple Python program where we will read the name of the user and then we will display that to the screen. So first what we have to do is we have to display a message to the user informing him about what kind of value the program is expecting, and then the user will enter the value. We need to read that value and then we need to display that to the screen. To do this in Python programming language, a function is available and its name is input. This input function allows us to display a message to the user, and after seeing the message, whatever the user will type in his keyboard will be read by this function and it will return it as a string value. So in this example where we have to ask the user to enter his name and we have to read that, we can use this input function, and here we can display the message as enter your name. Now after seeing this message, whatever the user is going to enter, this function will return that value as a string value. So what we can do is we can store that string value in a variable. I'm going to call it as name. So here we are reading the input and we are storing that in this name variable. Then we can simply print that value using the print function. So we will say hello and whatever the name value that we have read from the user. A very simple program. Now let's run this. Now here it says enter your name. I'm gonna say Anil and it will display hello Anil. So one important thing that you have to keep in mind is this input function will return the user input as a string value. If you are reading numbers, then you have to convert the numbers that the user has entered, which is in string form, to your required format, int or float. So this is it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel.